안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to learn about 14 basic consonants. They look like this. Do you see those white tiles? They mean there are almost 100 matching sound in English letter. Do you see those 4 yellow tiles? That means we do have almost matching English letter, but the sound between Korean letter and English letter are a bit different, and you do want to differentiate between those two. In this video, we're not going to go over in detail about the pronunciation. We'll just see what those matching English letters are in this video. And that one orange tile, that's something that you don't see in English. I will introduce the matching English letter or letters, but that's something that you have to learn how to make sound and practice a lot. Are you ready? G sound. G. N sound, just like in nose. D sound, like in door. This is the sound that I mentioned that there's no exact sound in English. It's somewhere between R and L. More close to L, I guess. Relaxed L, I would say. Monitor, M sound. Beer or bucket, B sound. Shark, S, soft S sound, sleek, smooth. This has circle, not square tile. It's a circular shape, the tile is, right? There's a reason because this circle looking letter has two distinguished sound. The first one, look at the Oreo. There's no cream, right? The first circle looking letter sounds is silent, no sound. Just like no cream on the Oreo cookie, no sound. And the second sound of this letter, sound, just like ring. Imagine the ring dropped on the floor, making ting sound, ting. I'm saying this because when the circle looking letter is at the bottom of a word, it makes a sound of So I usually tell to my students to imagine a ring dropped on the floor, making the ting sound to remember the sound. I could not find quite matching picture, so I drew it. I hope you see the resemblance between this jellyfish and the letter J sound. Do you see the shape of letter from chess Peace. Chest. Ch sound. Ch. Key. K sound. One more. Kangaroo. K sound. I couldn't abandon about the kangaroo. I could only put key here, but whenever I see those kangaroos' little front hands or legs, whatever, it reminds me of between the letter and the kangaroo shape. I think they are somewhat, similar aspect. What do you think? K sound. Tank. T sound. Do you see the shape of the letter from the picture? I hope you do. Piano. P sound. The boy's laughing, ha ha ha. Happy birthday, boy, right? With hat. Sound. This is the last consonant of 14 consonants. So we learned all 14 consonants. I hope this video will help you learn and remember those consonants.